Did you know that the adoption of accrual-based accounting in the public sector can uncover billions in hidden liabilities and assets, dramatically changing the financial picture of a government? Understanding modern public sector financial reporting is crucial for fiscal transparency and accountability. Many public sector entities struggle with outdated financial reporting practices, leading to a lack of transparency, difficulties in decision-making, and challenges in attracting investment or donor funding. This can result in inefficient resource allocation and reduced public trust. At the individual level, public sector accountants and finance professionals often feel overwhelmed by the transition to new reporting standards like IPSAS, International Public Sector Accounting Standards. They may lack confidence in preparing comprehensive financial statements that meet international best practices. This certification course addresses these challenges by providing a thorough grounding in public sector financial reporting and accounting principles. It covers crucial topics such as accrual-based reporting, consolidated financial statements, and performance reporting in the public sector. Participants benefit from gaining expertise in areas such as asset and liability recognition, revenue and expense accounting, and financial statement analysis specific to public sector entities. They learn to navigate complex reporting requirements and produce high-quality financial information. For public sector organizations, the impact is significant. With certified professionals, government entities can improve the quality and reliability of their financial reporting, enhance fiscal transparency, and make more informed decisions based on comprehensive financial information. On a personal and team level, participants develop into skilled public sector financial reporting specialists. They gain the confidence to prepare and analyze complex financial statements, provide valuable insights to decision makers, and contribute to the overall financial management strategy of their organizations. Don't let outdated financial reporting practices undermine your government's transparency and accountability. Enroll in this certification course today and become an expert in public sector financial reporting and accounting, equipped to drive financial excellence and promote good governance in the public sector.